fantastic. Hey guys, it's Shorty, and today what I'm going to cook is this lovely mackerel, saba in Japanese. Okay, so today I'm going to cook two dishes with this mackerel. One is shime saba. Well, it's vinegar mackerel. This dish is very popular in like the places, izakaya or restaurants in Japan. And the second dish I'm making is saba no miso ni, well, simmered fish in miso broth. And this is also a very popular dish, and personally I love this. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing, filleting mackerel in 3 pieces, sanmai oroshi. Get a sharp knife, cut off the head at an angle. Head off, make an incision here. Remove the gaps out of its belly. Have a look, have a look. It's shirako of mackerel. I'm not going to use it today, but anyway. And then you want to make an incision here, just along the backbone, to expose the blood so that I can clean it just like this. Okay, and then into the sink. And again, get yourself this skewers with running water. And use this skewers and scrape off the blood. Like so. And onto the cutting board. Okay, after you clean the inside of the fish, I'm going to wipe out the excess water inside and the surface. Okay, so let's fillet. So when you start, head side to the right and the belly side in front of me. And then make an incision just on the skin first, along to the tail. And then you put knife deeper until you get to the backbone. Yes. And now, turn it around, the back side again, all the way to the head, and deeper. Okay, and put your knife through here, near the tail. And just go through like this and cut off. So here we have one fillet to the tray, the other side, flip it over, make an incision. So now we have the second fillet. Nice and pretty. Okay, so it's done for sanmai oroshi. So for simmered fish, simmered mackerel, saba no miso ni, first I'm going to cut the fillet into a portion, maybe like And on the skin side, give it a incision, like cross, so that flavor can go inside the fish. Next, prepare a pot and put water and bring it to boil. And then, as it boils, you want to put the fillet into the pot just for a few seconds. Okay, and take it out immediately and put into cold water. Okay. Okay, so let's cook. So first, put mackerel into the pot and then cover the pot with water. And you wanna add some sake. And today I prepared like 3 pieces of ginger into the pot. And bring it to boil and wait for a while. So it's boiling now and you see those white foams on the surface and you want to get rid of those. And simmer it for a while. So it's been about 5 minutes. It's time to add sugar next. For the next, I'm going to use a little soy sauce. Today I'm going to use 2 different kinds of miso paste. Aka miso, saikyo miso. Okay, so it's the final step, adding miso paste. So here we got shiro miso, saikyo miso, like red miso. And no, it's a white miso. And aka miso, the red miso. So it's almost cooked now. And let me have a little taste. Fantastic. Yeah. For shimesara, the vinegared mackerel, before I put in the vinegar, I'm going to cure the mackerel with loads of salt. So get your tray and really a lot. Don't think it's too much. You really need a lot of salt. Place the fillet on top of the salt. Loads of salt over the mackerel. So this is to get rid of the excess water from the fillet. And I'm going to leave it for about, let's say 40 minutes today. So now it's been about 40 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is to rinse off the salt with running water. With a paper towel. Get rid of the water. Like so. And back to the tray again. And I'm going to marinate the fillet. Okay, this fillet with vinegar. Be quite generous. Okay, and let's use paper towel again. And I'm going to, again, leave it for 1 hour now. It's been about 1 hour. So take it out of the vinegar. Get rid of the vinegar. And now I'm going to peel off the skin. Just grab the edge. I can't pinch it. Okay, almost there. Yes, yes.
さらってるさらって
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Sorry, I don't usually do this. So. Okay, fair enough. Remove this belly bones. Like so. And then I'm going to remove the pin bones with tweezers. It's actually hard. Oh, come on, it's not working really well because I'm using a cheap tweezers. Okay, I think I'm done. So it's time to cut into sashimi. So it's time to plate out shimesaba. Saba no miso ni simmered mackerel. Here we have Saba no miso ni and shimesaba. Let's eat it. Let's eat it. 食べたい人、はい、はい。Okay, let's start with shimesaba.
いただきます。
Shimesaba. So a little wasabi. Yeah, I have a soy sauce. Bring it to you.
いただきます。
召し上がれ。Actually wanna eat it too.
うん、大人の味。
大人の味. How do I explain? Like the flavor for adults. This is actually good. Simmered mackerel. Here you go. Oh, this looks so nice.
お袋の味。
お袋の味, like. I did a good job. I did a good job. I did a good job. Okay guys, so how was today's video about mackerel and how we eat in Japan? 美味しかった?
好きだわ。
Yeah, we do love mackerel. Okay, so just like as always, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Oh my gosh, I don't like to say it. Anyway, okay, I will see you in next video again. Okay, またねー、バイバイ。
バイバイ、またねー。